Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do a high ponytail with a bang using Hair Miracle products. Right now for our first step, we're just going to be spraying our hair with water to moisturize. Now we're going to be using our Hair Miracle grease product to add in a bit more moisture to our hair. And we use this product after the water just to help us detangle our hair just a bit better so that we're not experiencing any breakage or losing hair or damaging our hair while we're trying to detangle it. Now after we moisturize our hair, we're going to use a wide tooth comb to comb out all of our hair. Now I do want to suggest that you be a bit more careful while picking out your hair. It's best to start from the ends of your hair and then move down to the roots so that you can pick out each section of your hair properly. It is a bit hard to tell from the video, but we are using Pro Style Black Gel as our slicking gel. So what you want to do here when you're making the part, you're going to put a triangle part in your hair diagonally so that this section of the hair will be used as the bang. Now after you finish your triangle part, you're going to want to put the rest of your hair back into a ponytail. And then take your comb again and fully pick out the section of hair that's going to be your bang. We want this section to lay down as flat as possible. Now that we've fully picked it out, you can just braid it to put it off to the side in order that so it doesn't have to be in your face. Or you can just put a ponytail holder in it. Now that I've got my hair off to the side, I just picked out my hair again so that I can make sure that it's fully stretched out so I can put in the ponytail. And then we're going to be using a black Pro Style gel. You can find it at your beauty supply store or Walmart or anywhere online, I'm pretty sure. And we're just going to be slicking down the edges around our hair in the front and in the back so that it all can be smooth when we put it up. Now that you got the gel on there, you can just use your brush or you can use a thin comb to flatten down and smooth your hair basically as you put it up into a ponytail. Now for this part, you just want to position the ponytail as high as possible without it being directly in the way of your bang, because with this hairstyle is going to make the bang much more easier to pull into the ponytail, like you'll see how we do it later on. Now we are back at the bang. So after you finish with your ponytail, you're just going to untwist or unbraid your section of hair that you're going to use as your bang, and whichever side that you're going to apply it to, whichever side that you want your bang to be on, you're basically going to make sure that your hair in that section is fully stretched out. You can see here that we combed it one more time, and you're basically just going to keep applying gel on the side or towards the side that you want your bang to be on, and you'll just continue flattening it down in that direction with a brush, or you can just use a comb until you've gotten the majority of it flat. So we want this bang to be as flat as possible so that it doesn't puff up or poof up while we're wearing it out. So now that you've gotten your bang mostly flattened, you're just going to basically, whatever excess is left that goes behind your ear, you'll just flatten it down as much as possible, and then you'll use a clip to be able to clip it down. We just don't want this part of our hair in the back that goes towards the back of our head to be visible towards the front. Now after you've clipped your bang down, you can just go ahead and add the final touches, perfecting whatever it is that you see needs fit. Alright, now at this point, we'll just braid our puff so that we can apply our fake ponytail too. Alright, so if you're using a ponytail, the one we're using is a drawstring ponytail. So we're basically just going to clip it on to our hair, and we're going to pull the string to secure it in place, and then we're going to wrap the string around our ponytail. And you'll see us use a piece of the ponytail hair to like hide the string that we have. Alright, so now that we fixed our ponytail, this is the end of our YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys stuck around to the end, please drop a like and a comment. Let us know what we can do better. And check out the link in our bio for our hair miracle products, and subscribe for more YouTube videos for hair tutorials or on how to take care of your hair using our hair products.